This is your boy Tijan Kebe once again. So talk about my last fight that I should, which I should do, should box last month, and the fight ended up being cancelled because of the situation in Germany about, with the promotion company there. You know, because the place we should fight before, for the first date they booked before, it was because the accident. Place up for the arena, you know, that we're supposed to fight. So they have a little bit like confusion there, you know, with the place. So and the fight didn't able to happen because of the stadium we should box. And then the next one was because of like they have a little bit issue with their financial situation there, you know, something things like that, you know, with some issue there, you know. But now they scheduled the fight again in next year. We're coming into, you know, it's gonna be March 8th. They choose now. We're gonna do the next. My fight gonna be in March 8th now, you know. So guys, keep in tune and then like keep tuning and then keep supporting. And then I'm gonna be here preparing for my next fight after the new year. So now it's just sitting, chilling with the family and try to relax and give time with, give them their time also, you know, for because when we are in the training camp, you know, we don't have time with them that much we supposed to. So now since we don't, the fight is a little bit like ahead, so we give time with the family too, you know. But we was ready for the fight and we train hard and we do all we can to able to do the fight how we want to have it. But due to the situation there, you know. But now, guys, we're coming back next year, you know, and the fight that's scheduled on the 8th, you know. So keep in tune. And after that, the next fight, I want to fight do rematch with the Swedish champion, you know, called Niklas. So that is our next fight. So I want to rematch him because we fought before, and the fight when we fought before, so he won by split decision, and then I feel like the fight I won the fight, you know. But now we're gonna do the rematch again, which we want to work on after this. My next fight, you know, we're gonna work on that, you know. I feel like the Swedish champion have no better place than Alan Source, you know, to be with us, you know. So Niklas have our belt, and I need the belt, you know. The belts have to come to Alan Source, you know. It belongs to Alan Source in our club here, TK Boxing Club in Alan Source, so the belt belongs here. So Niklas, be ready and know that I am gonna train for you after my next fight. So it doesn't matter what you say and where you go and what you do, I'm gonna come and fight you. All the Swedish people want to have the rematch, so why not we do the rematch, you know? Guys, let's do fight, man. We fight, man, before it's too late, man. We do the fight. I'm ready for you, man. Okay, guys? So I see you guys. Keep in tune. Don't forget, again, guys, go and subscribe our YouTube channel, you know, our media page, you know, so you can able to see more update that is coming on, you know, so you can see them. So don't forget, man. This is your boy Tijan Kebe once again. So I want to thank Elliot Strandman, the cameraman, who is doing very, very, very nice work for the TK Promotion Media. So we are very thankful and grateful to have him on our board. So thanks for the good job, champ. So we're proud of you, and see you guys next time.